Show me all the cards you hold close to your chest. I'll take all the